guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome to a Real Talk Tuesday video. ये वीडियो मैंने पिछले हफ्ते शूट करी है, मम्मी कसम शूट करी है, लेकिन बीइंग द यूट्यूबर दैट आई एम, मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि पिछले हफ्ते की रियल टॉक ट्यूसडे वीडियो इस हफ्ते अपलोड करनी डजंट मेक सेंस, क्योंकि एक हफ्ते में कितनी बदल गई हूँ मैं, मेरे में कितना बदलाव आ गया, मैं कितनी ज्यादा मैच्योर, वाइज और इंटेलिजेंट हो गई हूँ। तो अगर इस हफ्ते मुझे वही जवाब दे रहे थे शायद मैं अलग से। एनीवे, पॉइंट इज वीडियो अब फाइनली आ रही है एंड इट्स नाइस टू सी यू टू। कुछ वीडियोस मैंने वो स्टोरी पोस्ट करी थी, एक सेकंड चली गई है, बताती हूँ। ये वाली स्टोरी मैंने पोस्ट करी थी, मैंने कहा पूछो पूछो सवाल पूछो। आई नो इट वाज़न्ट अ सवाल सैटरडे, इट वाज अ रियल टॉक ट्यूसडे, लेकिन बातें तो बातें होती हैं यार, ऐसे लेबल लगा के क्या बातें करना। दुनिया का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो मेरे पास आया हुआ, मैं उसको पहले जवाब देना चाहती हूँ। इट्स फ्रॉम माई हस्बैंड प्रशांत खन्नार, हु सेज शुड वी गेट सम आइसक्रीम बेबी? द आंसर इज ऑलवेज yes. Moving on. What should we do for dinner was also a question that came in. I don't know what we could do for dessert. Mostly underscore sane 233. When is your new project or movie coming out? You all know that Operation Safed Sagar is coming out this year, and then we are shooting Mismatch season 4. So it's quite a year. Mostly sane love 10. How do you deal with self-doubt? I use it as a pointer. Honestly, कभी कभी अगर आपको हल्का सा सेल्फ डाउट रहे ना, तो इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू इन काइंड ऑफ स्टेइंग अ लिटिल अलाइंड, वेयर आप एकदम ही ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस की तरफ भी नहीं जाते हो कि अरे मैं तो कर लूंगी, मेरे तो बस की है, या फिर आप एकदम ही मतलब मेरे से तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता कुछ। सो सेल्फ डाउट आई थिंक हेल्प्स यू, एटलीस्ट द वे दैट इट हैपेंस टू मी, helps you kind of walk that line of a little bit madness. So in a good way only. Prajakta updates. Next book update. अबे आएगी अपडेट, बताऊंगी। इस वक्त 6-8 अलग अलग टैब खुले हैं मेरे दिमाग में और उस हर टैब पे अलग जंग चल रही है, पर श्योर। Underscore mostly Prajakta. How are you taking care of your skin and hair in this humid weather? PS, love you and your skin. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hair, I think just oiling my hair twice a week. And क्योंकि I try to work out 4 to 5 times a week, मेरे बालों में पसीना आ जाता है. So I wash my hair every single day and that is what works for me. And for skin, there has been a few changes that I have made overall in my, especially my nighttime skincare routine. So let me know if you want me to do a video on that. Mostly sane underscore aura. How do you balance personal life and professional life so smoothly and efficiently? I think the key is to make it look like it's smooth and efficient. Paige Achami, I hope I'm saying your name right, underscore 111. What is the one thing that makes you come back to Nepal again and again, but not food? Every time I travel to Kathmandu, that city just, makes a bigger place in my heart. जितनी भी बारी जाती हूँ, I love the history, I love the people, I love the friends that we have, I love the family that we have there. So it's a lot. Bhavya underscore Vij. What do you do with your used clothes? I actually, Rishank and I, जब हम थाने में रहते थे, तो हम वहाँ पे there was this one donation center that we would go and kind of give our clothes to. Not just used clothes, any excess clothes that we have. And अभी जहाँ हम रहते हैं इसके आसपास भी एक स्कूल है that is a donation spot where we go and donate. शांभवी त्रिपाठी, आपने स्किन टोन कैसे लाइट करा अपना, मुझे भी करना है प्लीज। मेरा स्किन टोन बिल्कुल भी लाइट नहीं हुआ है। अब जैसे ही मैं शूट करना, अभी मैं 6 महीनों से शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ कुछ, मैं अपने घर के अंदर या ऑफिस के अंदर बैठ के लिख रही हूँ। द मिनट आई स्टार्ट शूटिंग, द मिनट देयर सन एक्सपोजर, मेरा स्किन कलर दोबारा से बदल जाएगा एंड आई एम एक्चुअली ओके विथ बोथ. आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड लुक एट इट लाइक दैट. आई थिंक इट्स ओके. I think I'm sure whatever your skin color is beautiful. It's Kirti Pal. Which type of fiction romantic books is your favorite? Like which trope? अभी तो मैं romanticy पे काफी high ride कर रही हूँ. I'm reading Rebecca Yaros's Empyrean series. I finished The Fourth Wing. I'm halfway through Iron Flame and I can't wait for Onyx Storm. And I want to finish all of this because as soon as I finish Onyx Storm, I have to read King of Gluttony, which is Anna Wong's book, जिसमें the female main character is Indian. So very excited about that. And I have to finish all of this before the 13th of May, क्योंकि 13th of May को ऑफ कैंपस सीरीज रिलीज हो रही है on Prime Video, and then I want to watch The Love Hypothesis, which is I think in June. So it's my calendar is full right now with romance. It's full. There's so much to read. Underscore Ria 8 underscore. What motivates you to work out every day? मेरे लिए I think the one thing that worked the most was that I told myself that working out is a very huge chunk of my work. And I don't mean that with the way that I want to look or be seen. I think on मैंने बहुत बार पहले बोल चुकी हूँ मैं. I think on days when I do work out, my mood is better, I'm more productive, I can work longer hours, my body doesn't get tired, I sleep better, I eat better. मतलब जिस दिन मैं वर्कआउट करती हूँ ना, मेरा रूटीन ऐसे एकदम ऐसे बैठ जाता है उस ढांचे में. तो इवन इफ द टाइमिंग समटाइम्स सुबह वर्कआउट किया, शाम को वर्कआउट, जो भी किया उसके आसपास ना, इट्स लाइक अ पजल. लाइक एवरी डे इफ आई डोंट वर्क आउट, it's the puzzle of that day has a missing piece. That's all I'm saying. And when that missing piece just clicks into place, your day is perfect. So for me, I look at it as a very important part of my work, and I love my job. So that motivates me to work out every day. Ramya VVA, dear P, how do you start your day? I start my day with gratitude and stretches, which is again a new thing that I've started. Gratitude to bade saalon se. But I wake up in the morning, and before I leave my bed, oh, also the minute I wake up, other than seeing the time on my phone, I do not pick up my phone. Then before I leave my bed, I will stretch, and then while I'm going about my morning business, I will say my gratitude for everything and kind of set the mood for the day. Aisha D_05, that bag from, I think that's a वो बड़े बहुत पुरानी बैग है वो. मैंने बहुत सालों पहले Zara से उठाई थी. I think it's quite old. I don't know. I think it is Zara. Dr. Shraddha 15, did you get affected by the ChatGPT thing about your book? I'd be lying if I said that I didn't get affected, because it's just strange. I mean, when I did write it, I remember my team telling me, Prajakta, are you sure you want to put this in the acknowledgement section? क्योंकि लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा कि तुमने पूरी बुक लिखी है. And at that point, और जो अभी भी मैं मानती हूँ, at that point मेरा मानना था, इससे अगर लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है तो वो मैं बिना कुछ लिखे भी लगेगा. Having said that, I thought it's funny to put that. I mean, that's how I've always kind of had a relationship with my audience, and I think they'll get it. So जिनको उस चीज से इशू था, and the way that a lot of those things kind of came out, I'd be lying if I said कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because sometimes it does get difficult. Sometimes when you open Instagram and all you see is just nasty things written or doubts on your capability or any skill at all if you have, or anything that you have done and you've actually liked doing that. It hasn't been easy, but I've actually done it. तो उस पे जो 1000 बार doubts आते हैं, उससे कभी कभी I have those days where I'm just like, it's so unfair. लेकिन at the same time, just the amount of love that the book has gotten, or every time someone has picked up that book and said something like, oh my god, Prajakta, this is the first book I finished. Oh my god, Prajakta, because of this book, I started reading more books. Or when they came to my book signing and said, oh, this is the first time I'm coming to a bookstore. For me, I feel like that's a good start for someone who's written her first book. I mean, मैंने कभी ये नहीं बोला था कि ये दुनिया बदल देगा, ये बुक तुम्हारी लाइफ बदल देगा, ये इतना डीप है कि तुमको स्कूबा सूट पहन के जाना पड़ेगा. बिल्कुल मेरा ऐसा कोई कहना ही नहीं था कभी से. तो जब मैंने उस चीज़ को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लिया, I was quite surprised with how much it was. But that's okay, I guess. That comes with it. I don't expect everybody to like it, but I also didn't expect that the platform would suddenly be so snobby from some people, not everybody. But other than that, good. I'm fine. It did affect me. It does affect me every now and then, but it's okay. B_Krupali, I like your fitness and your routine. Thank you, Krupali. You are my idol. Thank you. How to be consistent in going to the gym and working out? I think starting small is what really helped me. कई बारी when you are working on these things ना, जो उन चीज़ों से हटके होती हैं, जो हम believe करके चलते हैं कि इससे हमारी तरक्की होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे लगता था कि नहीं बहुत काम करना है, मेहनत 18 घंटे 20 घंटे 22 घंटे, नहीं सोना नहीं है, नहीं खाना नहीं है, पानी नहीं पीना ना. वो कर लिया मैंने बड़े साल, और फिर मैं समझ आया कि शिट यार, अगर मेरी बॉडी हेल्दी नहीं है, अगर मेरा माइंड हेल्दी नहीं है, तो मैं कितनी भी मेहनत करने की कोशिश करूँ, आई विल नेवर हिट माई ऑप्टिमम पोटेंशियल. आई थिंक फॉर मी दैट वॉज माई मोटिवेशन कि मुझे बहुत काम करना है यार, मेरे को बहुत सालों तक काम करना है, मुझे बड़े सारे सपने हैं मेरे, वो सारे पूरे करने हैं. तो उसके लिए आई नीड अ हेल्दी बॉडी एंड आई नीड अ हेल्दी माइंड. So what is the easiest way to do that? It's by taking care of yourself. It's by eating right. It's by drinking enough water. It's by getting that sleep. It's by giving your body that rest. It's by training your body. And the minute you understand that, or the minute you kind of put small targets, जैसे मैं अपने आपको बताती थी कि चल हफ्ते में 2 बार वर्कआउट कर देती हूँ, 2 बार तो हो ही सकता है, चल 2 बारी में भी 30 मिनट करूँगी बस, या 15 मिनट. और ऑन डेज वो मुझे लगता है कि मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, मैं यूट्यूब पे चला देती हूँ कोई डांस वर्कआउट जो 20 मिनट का होता है, 25 मिनट का होता है, 30 मिनट का होता है, नाचते नाचते पता भी नहीं चलता. जो भी आपको करना पड़े, इवन समथिंग एज स्मॉल एज इफ यू फील लाइक इफ यू रिकॉर्ड योर वर्कआउट यू विल फील मोटिवेटेड टू डू इट. देर आर सो मेनी डेज जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं मेरे से और नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं फ़ोन लगा देती हूँ, सही हो जाता है. जो अपने माइंड को करो, ट्रिक जैसे करना है करो, जो आपके लिए काम करता है करो, but do it. It will change your life. Mukta 7. I have seen that at the start of your career you have struggled a lot with puffy face. Help me please. Yes, it took me a long time to understand what inflammation did to my body, and I was eating a lot of things that were causing inflammation, जिसके वजह से मेरा cortisol high हो रहा था, puffiness आ रहा था. But having said that, I spoke to a nutritionist who helped me to understand कि क्या खाने से मेरी body को किस तरह से फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. So if you are someone who's struggling with anything to do, even if it's a puffy face और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि unnatural है या uncomfortable है, or you feel like something's wrong with it, you should talk to a nutritionist or you should talk to your doctor. Arpita 14. If money was not a priority, would you ever become a private detective? No. And I'm not saying this to sound holier than thou. I really don't care about anyone else's problems, and I don't say that in a bad way. I'm just saying कि मुझे उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है जानने में कि कहाँ गई ये सुबिच है मुझे गाड़ी में बैठ के. I feel like I'll get bored too quickly. Riya Nian, how do you stay so energetic, active always? I'm not energetic and active always. Share days when I'm feeling that. And life has been quite crazy. It's been quite a roller coaster since January this year. इसीलिए मेरा posting pattern भी थोड़ा सा dip हुआ है because I'm kind of dealing with adulthood. But I'm not always energetic and active, and that's okay. I have my days जब मैं इस कोने में काउच पे मेरे किंडल के साथ बैठी होती हूँ, मेरा वाटर बॉटल होता है, चाय या कॉफ़ी जो भी होता है, स्नैक्स होते हैं आसपास, एंड आई डोंट मूव फॉर आवर्स एंड आई डोंट टॉक टू एनीबडी. आई डोंट वांट टू पोस्ट, आई विल नॉट पोस्ट. आई लाइक टू टेक दैट टाइम नाउ. पहले ऐसा होता था कि मैं अपने आप को बड़ा फोर्स करती थी कि नो 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 नो, you have to snap out it fast, like fast, immediately snap out करो, निकलो चलो. And then I realized कि वो बड़े unresolved रह जाते थे issues मेरे दिमाग में ना, अगर कुछ रह गया है तो I used to keep pushing it under the carpet. So I'm not always energetic or active. I actually have a lot of days where I'm not any of those things. Okay, last one. Okay, Drishti Nahata 06. Hi Drishti. What are 5 major things you avoid in your life to live a happy and healthy life? Love from Drishti. Love right back at ya, Drishti. 5 things for a healthy and happy life. I'll start from healthy because happiness just comes with that. Taking care of your physical health and your mental health, which includes working out, eating right or eating enough, resting, having enough water, having practices of self-care in place. So taking care of your mental and physical health. Having a hobby, I think, is very important, not just for you but for people that you live with, your family and your friends. It's very, very important for those relationships as well that you have a hobby. What is my hobby? I love reading. I will literally switch off and I'll read. I'll put on my I'll play an audiobook on Audible and I'll sit in color, or I'll like do cross stitches, knitting. I'll do all of that. I have a bunch of those like kits at home now. So that's number 2. Number 3 is rest. चाहे जो हो. I know कहना बड़ा आसान है पर please सो जाओ. If there is one thing I could tell Prajakta from a few years ago, it would be that shut up and go to sleep. Nothing will help you have a happy, healthy life as much as good rest can. You need to give your body rest for it to deal with the madness that this world is. Number 4, be delusionally ambitious and hopeful for something. मेरे लिए, I know what that is and I'm working towards it. And on every day that I feel like I think about that delusionally scary aspirational dream that I have, and somehow everything just makes sense. And finally, very, very, very carefully choose your circle. Be very picky about who gets access to you. I'm not talking about your biological family. Obviously, work, that is a relationship that you work on, but I'm saying the family that you choose, your partner, your friends, your team, people you trust with issues like your money, like your future, your secrets, your insecurities, your fears, your dreams, your hopes. Be very, very, very careful with that. And that's coming from someone who's learned it the hard way. I have been terribly betrayed, which is kind of making me now be, for the past few months, be extremely picky about who gets access to me. And I think you should do that too. And once you lock these things in, लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, आई एम गोना गो नाउ. 20 मिनट का, चल कोई नहीं यार, रियल टॉक ट्यूसडे हम करते हैं बातें. अब हैं बातें करने को तो कर रही हूँ. अगली बार 6 मिनट का बना दूंगी, बता देना ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया तो. आई विल कीप दैट इन माइंड. But I will see you again very, very soon. If you have any questions that you want me to answer, if you have any topics that you want me to make a Real Talk Tuesday video on, put in the comment section below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Until we meet, love, love.